What is biology? Biology is the science of living things. When we think of biology education, most of us picture students in a science classroom, maybe working on labs, using microscopes, reading from a textbook, or listening to a teacher lecture. But biology education has the potential to be so much more than just classwork, and fieldwork is an essential piece of this. The field is defined as any arena or zone within a subject where supervised learning can take place via first-hand experience outside the constraints of the four walls classroom setting. For biology, this means fieldwork can happen practically anywhere, but is especially applicable outdoors. Fieldwork could be as simple as learning outside in the schoolyard, or as complex as traveling to another city or country. Fieldwork is fun, exciting, and engaging, and provides students with real-world experiences. These experiences differ from experiments in the classroom because they are natural and are not simulated. Fieldwork also provides students with opportunities to do things they haven't done before and can help them build skills that can be transferred to other subjects or life situations. For example, students can improve skills in observation, sampling, and measurement. Fieldwork also simulates independent thinking and provokes students to ask questions. They can work hands-on with biology in a way that can't be simulated in a lab. Not only do students develop skills and knowledge related to the subject, but they also develop better relationships with one another through teamwork and cooperation, which can transfer back to the classroom, creating a more positive learning environment. Fieldwork also provides students with experiences they can relate back to, for example, when writing an assignment or test. Although fieldwork in biology has so many benefits for student learning, recently it appears to be in decline. One factor that could play into the decline of fieldwork is risk. Classrooms are very safe and allow the teacher to monitor all students at once. Depending on the area of fieldwork, there could be a greater risk of health and safety issues. Teachers also fear that students will behave poorly during fieldwork and have concerns about managing students outside the classroom. Another factor that may contribute to a decline in fieldwork is cost. Between transportation, entry fees, and materials, fieldwork can add up. Both teachers and parents may have trouble pulling together the funds needed for fieldwork. Even if costs aren't high for fieldwork, it still takes a fair bit of time and effort to plan and pull off effective fieldwork. There is also a lot of paperwork involved for teachers, including permission forms, risk assessments, and other planning. Many teachers do not see the benefit in fieldwork and have no interest to plan it or put in the extra work. Teachers also feel inadequately trained to teach outside and are not sure how to approach fieldwork. New technology advances may also result in a decline in fieldwork, since more and more experiments and investigation can be done in the classroom. Simulations and instruments allow students to work in the safety of the classroom and reduce the need to go outdoors to do work. Despite these barriers, studies have shown that outdoor learning experiences were more effective for developing cognitive skills than classroom-based learning. Students were also able to make cross-curricular connections and developed greater appreciation and understanding for the natural environment. Overall, the benefits of student learning and skill development outweigh the negatives in terms of fieldwork, and teachers should work to overcome their reluctance and any additional issues to provide valuable fieldwork experiences to their students.